Okay, our next build up for the contest is from Corwin DeRuiter, and it's some orange power, but it's not the orange power you think it is. So when he was a kid growing up, he grew up on a farm in the Fraser Valley area of British Columbia, Canada. They had this Kubota with a removable loader, and he wanted one in 1/64 scale. So he found a ERTL Heston and decided that he could make that work. So they had about the right size hood. The fenders were usable, he says, and the loader is off an ERTL unit. So the first thing he did is he chopped the cab, rebuilt the fenders, and he removed the front wheel assist on this. He installed a 3-point hitch, he made the loader removable, and he got a different bucket and made it removable for future use. He also added a bale spear and a receiver to the bucket. He filled in the steering column and made his own decals. I'll put a little bit more in the description, but this is a neat build, and you can see there's just a ton of work that went into this build if you look at everything he's got going on here. Of course, we don't get Kubota tractors in 1/64 scale, which I'm kind of surprised when you think about it. I mean, they're a popular enough company, you think we might get a few from somebody, but it's really nice to see this built here by Corwin. This is a really neat build, very unique, obviously not something you really see. So here's kind of an in progress picture. You can see some of the cuts he did, and just some of the work that he had to do to make this thing work. Really neat. Here's a picture of the real thing. So cool. That helps too. I really like to see that. Just kind of helps us get an idea. That's a neat looking tractor, actually. So don't know that I'm a huge Kubota fan, but that's a neat tractor. So here you can see the 3-point on the rear end being worked on. Really nice work there. Very cool. And last couple pictures here, we're just going to get a look at that loader with the bucket off of there, and you can also, again, kind of see some of that fender work, some of the body work that kind of had to be done to make this thing look right. So really well done here, Corwin. And here's the tractor all in pieces. So I guess I went backwards there with our pictures, but I think you get the point. Thanks for sharing this, Corwin. I really enjoyed that build. I hope everybody else did too. Thanks for watching, guys.